So hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix group FaceTime not working issue on iPhone. So guys, if your group FaceTime is not working on your iPhone, I'm gonna give you some troubleshooting steps you can follow to fix this issue. First of all, you have to check FaceTime settings. Go to your settings, then scroll down and go to FaceTime, and you have to make sure that the FaceTime is enabled. Also you have to make sure the FaceTime is toggled on in screen time. To do this, you have to go back and go to screen time, tap on content and privacy, tap on allowed app, and you have to make sure that the FaceTime is also enabled here. If it's disabled, so enable it. After this, then you have to do is check internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Group FaceTime requires a reliable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. After checking internet connection, then you have to restart FaceTime. Simply open your FaceTime first and close it and try reopening it again and see if the issue persists or not. Then you have to do is check your date and time. Go to your settings, go to general, tap on date and time and ensure that your date and time settings are correct. Set your time zone manually if needed. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often resolve many issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to General, scroll down and tap on Shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting iPhone, then you have to check for iOS update. Go to General, tap on Software Update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After trying this all solution and still facing the same issue, then you have to do is reset your network settings. So guys, this will reset your Wi-Fi password and settings but may help resolve network related issue affecting FaceTime. To do this, you have to go to your channel, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.